Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anka and today we're gonna talk about great designs made easy. If you haven't guessed it by now, I'm talking about K. Hovnanian, the builder that has been in business for over 60 years and that's promising to lay out down here in South Florida another 92 luxury homes, single family ones. Let's just jump into these beautiful models because I truly want to show you around. I'm always super excited when I get to see new construction because I get to learn so much. I get to know new people, new sales associates, new design centers, everything that makes this process eventually a complex process, right? But we're gonna get into the next community and hopefully you'll enjoy it as much as I do. Talk about great designs made easy. You guessed it, no other than K. Hovnanian builder that has more than 60 years of experience. They want to build in Avenir 92 luxury homes. So let's just jump into it. Choose from single stories and two-story new homes with spacious floor plans, elegant interiors, and up to 5 bedrooms with almost 4,124 square feet of living space. So come to discover K. Hovnanian's interior collections, a series of curated looks designed for modern life. Come to experience stunning interiors and sophisticated living, all at an incredible value. Looks spotlight 3 unique styles with real character and represent the rich complexity of K. Hovnanian's interior design concepts. Each style is created by passionate interior designers who pick and assemble every detail to evoke a specific feeling. It's the details that make the whole experience, and believe me when I say that, they take care of that for you. Because as I happen to agree, at K. Hovnanian, they believe everyone should have a beautiful home. Recently released floor plans projected to begin in the mid-800,000s. Lots starting from 20K up to 250K currently. When it comes to buying a house here, they made the process super transparent and easy to follow. As I mentioned earlier, they currently have 3 models being open, and what you see is what you get. Upgrades start from $10,000 up to $64,000. Tiles are standard and the carpet has a superior padding. Vanities are RH and homes are overall bigger than what you get probably at some of the other builders at Avenir. If you like my video, please share it with friends and family as well, because who knows, somebody else might want to be your neighbor. Also, if you speak Spanish o también hablo español, 561-568-9318 es mi número de teléfono, y creo que sería bueno que compartes este video también con amigos y familiares. Quién sabe, tal vez alguien quiere estar tu neighbor.